Hi everyone and good morning. Good morning to all of you. I'm again here with a new topic. What is your top uh, high personal value? See, personal value it is also important for personal life as well as the professional life. So I am giving my idea in the context of the professional life. Although this is the personal value, but it is more important and more relevant in the context of the corporate life or the professional life. See, this I will start with the definition of the leadership. See, if the person having the leadership, it means that they have position plus content, and also they have the multiplying with the value. If they're having the person, suppose any CEO, yeah, MD, yeah, AVP or BP, they have of course they have the position. Also, they have the content about their strategy, about the plan, and how can they execute the plans for their company development or their business developments. That's why they are the CEO, MD. If this attribution they have, if they have not any value among the among the any employee or the employee, so I think the leadership is not count, and they have the zero leaderships. So it means that value is very important. Uh, in which post, either you will be the CEO or other things. If you have not value, it means that there is something lacking in your personality. Then they have to improve gradually. See, I have the five personal value, which is very important in my personal life as well as the professional life. First of the good one being, second self-motivated and self-belief, good leadership value, pristine honesty, and humility. See, if you talk about the first attributions, means good human being, every person should be have the good human being. Either they are in any role in our life, in corporate life, yeah, any things. Okay, they are either they are the politicians, bureaucrat, uh, they are working in the corporate world. Yeah, they are the humanity. They are the uh, means social worker, yeah, community helper. Okay, at least we have with the for being of the kindness, we should be treat with the good human being with the everyone's. So that quality I treat. I have the kindest characters. I always have a great influence of the others. Either they involved doing any type of the work. Okay. Second, self-motivated and the self-belief. My dear friend, it is very important for our for the any personal value. I am self-motivated with the what we have the desire, what we have the short term and long term goal in my life. I am still motivated and excited and inspired. What I have to give the quality time with my family members. I am self motivated and inspired. What I have the my retirement planning. I want to be the social worker, and there's a need of the more money for the social work. So I'm totally inspired and motivated. Self motivated is very important factor. Everybody should have. It doesn't mean that if anyone, if you are the working in any company, any team member, your seniors, yeah, other person will be guide you. Guide is the other part. If you motivated, you have to do this one. So we have to self motivated in this point. And third point is the good leadership value. See, every person have the leadership value. If you have in the heading the team in the corporate life, then it is very important to how you drive your business. How can you keep motivated your team members? How can you initiate your thought? How can execute your changing? So this is the very important. If you have the good leadership, that it is the very easiest way in the corporate leaders that you will achieve gradually in your top positions. And it is the leadership is a very important ingredient of your success. Without this, you cannot achieve anything. So leadership quality is a very important value. And four things I will like to describe: pristine honesty. See, try to understand what is the pristine honesty and majority honesty. It is correlated with I and other. It is correlated with the what we do right, what other wrong, what other do wrong. I'm giving the example of you. Suppose in the signal, red signal in the road, if it is a red light, so I also stop. Many people are also stop. Okay, this is the majority honesty. If I stop, but other people are not stop, it means that I follow the rule regulations. This is the pristine honesty. Okay, and I'm giving the other example. If you have traveling, if you are going in the Singapore, Singapore is a very clean city. Okay, and if you go there, you cannot spitting on the Singapore street because there is some rule regulations. Then you have to follow the same things because they are all, and all the Singapore people fall in the pristine honesty. Then if you will come back in the Mumbai, the others, you will start spitting in the road because you can see that other people also doing. It means that other people are doing the same thing or also doing you the same things. This is not pristine honesty. Okay, and if you are not doing but other people are doing, it means that you are the example of the pristine honesty. So every person in our life, either in the personal life, in the professional life, there should be the pristine honesty. They should be treated like that way. So pristine honesty is very also important, very driving factor for our personal value. And fifth, which is the last, humility. Humility. Okay. And see, if you are success in your career, then many people are flying. They cannot stay in the ground. Their feet is flying, and they have to understand that they are not alone only to success, because many others are helping you to get the success. Your subordinate, your team members, your supporting staff, your seniors, they also same role, same contribution to the success in your careers. So staying grounded through the cycle of the success and the failure. So this is the very important means personal value. See, what I describe the personal value, I think it is giving the strengthen of the core capability. You have to develop the core capability. It is more important. If you have the good leadership, pristine honesty, humility, self-motivated, good human being, it is helping. I'm not telling that it will all help to, but this point, 5 point is helping to your core capability. And my dear friend, core capability is very important whilst you're doing, whilst you're making the plan in the career, in the corporate life. Suppose this core capability come from the experience only. If you do more time in your job, and if you try your time and energy consume and converted in the experience, that is called the experience. Okay, and if you giving more time, it means that you are developing your core capability. If I am talking about the core capability, it means that what you have the relationship with the client, yeah, what you have the leadership, personal value, and electrical skill, comfort with the number, logical reasoning, organized and disciplined way, plan and efficiency. This is the core capability. This is the core capability we have to develop in every point of time in our life. My dear friend, I like to conclude this uh, personal topic, your top five personal value with this statement. Great success require you. Great success required to drive great change, and great change required to you have the great leadership. And to have great leadership impact, you need to have the great personal value. Thank you very much.